Hello everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn about the color coding of resistor. Learning outcome. After completion of this video, you will be able to find the value of 4-band, 5-band and 6-band carbon type fixed resistor from its color coding. That is, the color bands are given on a resistor and you will be able to find the value along with the tolerance. So let us first see what is resistor. Resistor is a passive component which resists the flow of current. It is in two types, fixed and variable. Here we are going to talk about carbon film resistor, which is a fixed type resistor and made up of ceramic core surrounded by carbon film. Hence it is named as carbon film resistor. It has different color bands on it which represents its value, tolerance and temperature coefficients. Carbon film resistor comes in three types of bands, 4 bands, 5 bands and 6 bands. You can see here it is based on number of bands available on the resistor. To understand the color bands meaning on the resistor, yes, this complete table is required. It summarizes completely 4 band, 5 band and 6 band. But don't you think so? This is a very huge table and it looks like that remembering the complete table is very difficult. So let us make it simple. What do you need to remember is only this. For 4, 5 and 6 band, first thing which you should remember the sequence of these colors and its code 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The same code can be used for first digit, second band, third band and multiplier purpose. Second is the additional two colors for multiplier, that is gold and silver. Gold 10 to the power minus 1, silver 10 to the power minus 2. Third thing which you need to know is the tolerance. Out of all these colors, the very important is 5, 10 and 20%. Okay, because it is the commonly used tolerance band on the resistor. Gold 5%, silver 10% and 20 means no band. When there is no color band present at the tolerance position, then it is 20%. For 6 bands resistor, additionally, TCR is required, which is temperature coefficient of resistor measured in ppm per degree Kelvin. It has some band. So majorly this first column, multiplier of gold and silver and then tolerance. The commonly used resistor is 4 band resistor. Now question arises how to remember this sequence of the colors. There is a trick. What is that trick? Remember one sentence. B.B. Roy is a good boy and very good wife. What is it? B.B. Roy is a good boy and has very good wife, and out of this only you need to remember the first letter of this sentence. B.B. Roy is a good boy and has very good wife. And just put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will always remember for a lifelong if you remember by a trick. Just remember that the sequence of number starts from 0. Now, there are 3 B's in the sequence. First B will be black, second will be brown, third will be blue. You need to remember that. And then also you need to notice that 2 G's are there. So first G will be green and second will be gray. So just pause the video and just rewind and remember this sentence. Let us start with 4 band resistor. So a 4 band resistor contains 4 color bands on it. First band represents first digit of the resistance value. Second band represents second digit of the resistance value. Third band is the multiplier. Fourth band is the tolerance. Yes. Now what is required? You need to have the sequence of colors. So let us do it from our trick, that is B.B. Roy is a good boy and has very good wife, and just put the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiplier of gold and silver and the tolerance band value. Commonly used gold 5%, silver 10%, no band 20%. Let us try one. Okay. So here on the given sample of the resistor, the color codes are yellow, violet, orange and silver. So from the table, yes, yellow represents 4, violet is 7, orange is 3, silver is 10%. From this we will find the value. Okay, how to do this? So keep the first digit as such, then the second digit also as such, and third digit consider as multiplier. So multiplied with 10 to the power 3. So multiplier is 10 to the power the color code of the band. And then put the unit, which is very important. Have a habit of writing the unit. Then with the plus minus sign, write the tolerance value. So what will be the value of resistor? 47 kilo ohm plus minus 10% tolerance. So what is this 10% tolerance? How it contributes to the value of the resistor? Let us see. Tolerance is nothing but the percentage deviation in the measured value from its actual value. So this value which we have written is 47 kilo ohm is a actual value which manufacturer has given, that it is a 47 kilo ohm resistor, but it can vary. So how to find this range with the 10% tolerance? So take the 47 kilo ohm resistor and write it like 47000. Now find the 10% of 47,000, which comes as 4700. Then what you need to do? You need to subtract and add from the actual value. So 47,000 minus 4,700 is this much. And add it, you will get the another value. And this is the range of value. So how to write them now? Now 47 kilo ohm plus minus 10% tolerance. This value can be written as 42,300 ohms to 51,700 ohms, and also in kilo ohms we can write it 42.3 kilo ohm to 51.7 kilo ohm. So this is the range of a resistor. So what does this range means? Suppose you purchase one resistor from a shop and that is of 47 kilo ohm, and you measure it through multimeter, you will not get 47 kilo ohm. But if you get the value of that resistor between this range, you can consider this resistor as okay. It is not a faulty and you can use it in the circuits. So now it is a practice time. Let us practice by yourself and verify the answer. You need to find the value of resistor and its range as per the tolerance. One example is given for you. Okay, pause the video and practice by yourself. Once done, you can play the video. Verify the answer. If you are not getting the correct answer, rewind back the video, go back again, understand the concept and again try. Let us try the second example. Pause the video and calculate the value as per tolerance by yourself. Play the video once you are done and verify your answer. So let us focus on now on 5-band resistor color coding. Now what is added here is the third digit. First band, second band, then fourth and fifth. These are same, but in between the third band is additionally added, which represents the third digit of the resistor value. Now what we require first is the color coding sequence. So let us write our sequence by B. Roy is a good boy and has very good wife. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then mention the color codes of the register: blue, gray, black, brown, gold. So blue represents 6, gray 8, black 0, brown 1 and gold is a 5%. The value becomes this. How? First band code written as such, second as such, third as such. So in the 4 band we have taken only first 2 digit. Now here we have to take third band as a third digit and then fourth band as a multiplier. So multiplied by 10 to the power 1. So this code is to be written 10 to the power. And then unit, have a habit of writing the unit, then plus minus 5% tolerance. So it will become 6,800 ohm plus minus 5% tolerance. Again, we can write 6.8 kilo ohm plus minus 5% tolerance. And we can find the 5% of this value, which will get 340. We will subtract and add with it, and we will get the final range, which is 6.46 kilo ohm to 7.14 kilo. Okay. So come to the practice time, and let us practice by yourself. The first values of color are given like this. Pause the video and try by yourself. Play the video once you are done and verify with your answer. Again, practice one more example. Pause the video. Play the video once you are done and verify with the answer. If you are getting the wrong answer, go back to the video, get the concept and again redo it. Now let us try for 6-band resistor. Now in 6-band, all 5 bands are same as 5-band resistor. The only thing is 6th band is added as a temperature coefficient of resistor. What it is, we will see. So again, we will have this sequence of color. B. Roy is a good boy and a very good wife, has very good wife. So you can write the sequence. Now let us try. Green means 5, brown 1, black 0, orange 3, violet 0.1%, okay, and red is a 50 TCR. The value becomes this. How? First color code kept as first digit, second as such, third as such, and fourth is nothing but a multiplier you can see. So that is 10 to the power 3. Here it is a color code, and then plus minus tolerance is written, and then 50 ppm per degree Kelvin. So this is the value 510 kilo ohm, and then tolerance is 0.1%. Now find the 0.1% of 510 kilo ohm. You will get 510. Subtract, add, and you will get the range. The way we have seen the tolerance, let us see the TCR, what TCR is. The temperature coefficient of a resistor, which is measured in ppm per degree Kelvin. What is this ppm? Parts per million. It represents the change in the resistor with a change in the temperature. Okay. So let us practice the 6-band resistor value also. Pause the video and try by yourself. Once done, play the video and verify the answer. Okay. Now what you have learned through this video, please share in the comment box and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Happy learning.